Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You have admin rights and you're ready to change protection settings, but stop. Permanently disabling real-time protection is unsafe and often unnecessary. Instead, begin by checking your needs and why you want to disable it. Once done, consider adding safe folder or file exclusions or pausing protection briefly for a single task. This immediate measure reduces exposure while solving the issue that led you here, and it preserves baseline defenses. Next, take measured actions that address the root cause without killing protection. Add targeted exclusions for trusted apps or folders, which prevents interference while keeping overall defense active. If you must turn protection off, pause it briefly only during the specific task and re-enable immediately. Alternatively, run risky tools inside a virtual machine or sandbox so your main system remains protected. These approaches explain why selective controls are superior to a permanent shutdown. To finish, restore full protection as soon as the job is done and verify Defender updates and scan the system. If toggling protections introduced problems, run a security intelligence update and a full scan, or use the Windows security troubleshooting options to reset settings. Make sure to consult your IT admin or vendor support before altering permanent policies. This protects you from accidental exposure and ensures compliance with organizational or legal requirements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.